Hi there, my name is Nate and I'm a software engineer and researcher here in Los Angeles, and this is the Kickstarter page for my business Flat Lab, which started originally as a PC case that I had designed and built for myself, and now I want to offer to a wider audience. I'm asking for your support on this campaign because I'd like to scale up the production of my cases. Currently, I've been selling them on Etsy. I've been receiving positive feedback and have made some tweaks and changes, and I think I'm ready to launch this for a larger audience than just what was being discovered on Etsy, and I would like to be able to also provide them even cheaper and with nicer finishes, which, with your support on this campaign project, I would be able to do. With the support of 100 cases, we would be able to not only scale up the business to be able to provide the cases even cheaper, providing a better value to our customers, but we'll also be able to sandblast the cases, giving them a much more professional finish than what we're able to achieve right now with just the standard FDM printing technique. What started originally as a passion project for myself to design a case that was both affordable, very functional, easy to work in like a test bench, but aesthetic enough to look good on my desk, now it's turned into something where there are quite a few people which are interested in this case, and I want to be able to provide it to everyone who might want one. Additionally, I want to keep iterating on this project. If we get 50 backers, the first 50 backers will receive a screwdriver and a limited edition collector's card signed by myself with the numbering 1 out of 50. And if we get to 100 cases, we will have met our goal where we will be able to sandblast and provide a professional finish on all of the cases, as I mentioned. But additionally, if we get to the goal of 100, we will also start offering an ATX size option, which right now at the beginning of the campaign, we're offering mini ITX and micro ATX. Thank you all for your time and for checking out our Kickstarter campaign. So far, the feedback has been wonderful, so thank you to everyone who is purchasing the cases on Etsy before this campaign. And yeah, we look forward to you guys' support and to making an incredible, high-value product with the best finish and functionality that we can. Thanks again.